Oh, I just found a little baby bird. Looks like it fell off his nest.
Let it alone, so maybe it won't eat good. Maybe it'll eat so it can get.
Well, can't believe it fell off his nest. First day of summer, and something crazy already happened.
Yep.
Right, Papa?
Yep.
Alyssa, right?
Yeah.
We're trying to get it to eat so it can be stronger. I have a little piece of bread right over there. Little tiny piece of bread. I don't know if it can fit my finger, but oh God! He's salty. My papa just farted exactly on my back. Dang. Leave me alone. Dang. It ain't funny if you can hear him laughing right now. It ain't funny. That ain't funny. I'm going with Alyssa. Alyssa, wait up. You're wrong for that. Wrong for that. Man, stop. No, I'm putting this on YouTube, so don't worry. What? No, baby bird. Hope you didn't smell that. Alyssa, what are you? Oh, dang, I tried to photobomb. Wait, what? How much? This is it's already been 2 minutes. Wow. Where's my dog? My dog's somewhere inside. Sorry. Where's the birdie? I want a birdie. What are y'all excited about? Okay, hope I'm back.
Nobody cares.
Man, hush. If you're watching this is Alyssa Walker from Thomason Middle School. If your friends are watching, tell her
Delete that or I'm telling Dad.
how embarrassing she is. No, I'm not going to put it on YouTube. Dang. I'm not. Dang! Oh, I just seen some lightning. It's storming over here. Let me just close this right now. Oh. Look at that little snake. Little snake. Dead though. We need to find out a way that does not get that birdie heart attack. If we get that, we're trying to get that birdie into that box. Well, no way. I mean, there might be a way, there might not. Yeah, I never know. May 18th, 2017, boy. There might be a way. I don't know. There just might be a way. What's that? What's that? Alyssa, maybe we can use this to pick it up by its waist. Put it in the box. You know, protection. Maybe there's a nest up there and it fell out of there. Birdie's so cute. Birdie's so cute.
Move.
Dang. It's going for its mom. But where is the mom? What are those? Boy, I got better shoes than those. Some Nike. Where'd the bird go? Oh, there's the bird. Oh. Hey, the bird! It's moving. Let me go. Don't tell me that sucker just pooped. Oh, that dirty dog just pooped. Crap, here's your bread back. Dirty dog just pooped. That dirty dog just pooped. I'm about to show you. Put this on you. Look, that dirty dog just pooped. Look, he was standing on there for a long time. You poop. You freaking poop. Well, let's see if we when we come back. It's still there. Bye. Papa. Look, the bird's starting to move. That dirty dog pooped on the piece of bread.
Only if the answer is shopping for baby shoes.
You lucky out there.
Come on, boy.
Lucky out.
Go, boy. Oh, you go. I want to see the bird. I just came out into the other door. Where'd that bird go? Oh, the bird right there. Oh! Alyssa! Alyssa, look at this. It found shelter. Under the little vent deal. Oh, that's just awesome. I wonder how long I'm on top of the world. Hey, I think it fell out right there from up there and somehow went all the way over there. I think it fell out up there. Up there. Then went over there. Up there. Then over there. Then went around and over there. Shelter. I'm going to show you. I'm about to show you. I am about to show you where I found shelter. Let's see here. You can see it. It's somewhere around that area. Alyssa, what are you doing? Hey, Alyssa, what are you doing? Gah! So, football's down there. Football's down there. Bruh. Hey. Hey, I already met Alyssa, so I met my dad. Hey, Lucky. We're Lucky. I'm not even a papa. So, yeah, I just gotta meet my dad.